What's up, guys, and I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be slaying a wig from LUVME HAIR. The wig that we will be using today is a 12-inch summer celebrity wig. My client was already molded down with a stocking cap, and we had already applied 3 layers of bold hold lace glue. Right here, I'm using my scissors and I'm cutting the lace. When you're cutting the lace, do not cut the lace in a straight motion. You want to do like a zigzag motion for your lace to try to create a natural looking hairline. You don't want nothing just straight across on your hair. Right here, what we're doing is we're creating baby hairs. And for this look, you really don't need all the dramatic baby hairs, so we kept it at a minimal. To lay my baby hairs, I use the Gots to Be Freeze Spray. Now, once you got the edges laid just like you like it, what I do for my clients is I take a strip paper and I wrap it around the edges. Now, while I'm waiting for those edges to melt in, I get a water bottle, just water, guys, and I just wet the hair down. Now, once I got the hairstyle just like I like it, I'll take a hot comb and just comb it through where my part is at, just to make sure everything is flat. So once we got the hairstyle like we wanted, the last step is to take this paper off this hairline, y'all. Y'all ready? Oh, look at that hairline, y'all. Look at that hairline. My client and I were very pleased with this 12-inch summer celebrity wig from LUVME HAIR. Guys, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and make sure you turn on your notifications for more videos.